Brutalism. It's a word that gets people talking. Some think of huge concrete buildings, plain and harsh. But others see honesty. It's about simple materials, showing how a building is made and making it work well. After World War II, things were tough. Brutalism was a way to build without fancy decorations, just pure shapes. Think of buildings like Le Corbusier's Unité d'Habitation or the Barbican Estate in London. These huge buildings made people disagree, but they definitely changed how cities look. For a while, people didn't like brutalism. They thought it was cold and unfriendly, but now people are starting to like its simple style again. Architects are trying brutalist ideas in new ways, but there's a big question: how can we make it green? Concrete is not good for the environment. Making cement, which is part of concrete, creates a lot of pollution. So how do we make brutalism eco-friendly? We need new ideas and new materials. We need to find beauty in being green. Buildings can be cool and good for the planet. That's the idea behind eco-brutalism, making brutalism sustainable. Eco-brutalism says brutalism doesn't have to be all concrete. We can use other materials that look cool and are good for the earth. Think rammed earth, wood and clay. These old materials are getting a fresh look. Rammed earth is super old. You pack dirt together to make strong walls. It looks awesome with natural colors and textures. Wood is another great choice. It grows back. You can use it for beams, columns, or even really tall buildings. And then there's clay. People have used clay for bricks, tiles and cob for a long time. Clay is great for keeping warm or cool, and it looks nice. These materials often come from nearby, so we don't have to drive them long distances, which is better for the planet. Concrete is bad for the environment. Making it creates a lot of pollution that causes climate change. Getting the stuff to make cement also hurts nature. Eco-friendly materials are much better. Rammed earth uses dirt from close by. Wood, if we're careful, comes from forests that grow back. Clay is easy to find and doesn't need much energy to make. It's simple. To help the planet, we need to use better materials. Every eco-friendly material is special. Rammed earth keeps buildings comfy, cool in summer and warm in winter. Wood does the same and even absorbs bad air. Clay helps keep the air inside fresh. We can use these materials alone or together. Imagine a building with rammed earth walls, wooden columns holding up a big roof, and clay tiles for decoration. That's eco-brutalism, looking good and being good for the planet. Section 5. Building for the elements, climate-responsive design. Eco-brutalism means building smart. Rammed earth is great for hot, dry places. Wood is good for cold places. Clay works in lots of places. If we choose the right materials for the weather, buildings are comfy and don't need much energy for heating or cooling. That's even better for the planet. Section 6. Innovation in eco-brutalism. Form meets function. Eco-brutalism isn't just about old stuff, it's about trying new things. Architects are building parts of buildings in factories using rammed earth and wood. Then they put them together like Legos. It's faster and creates less waste. Think green roofs, solar panels on walls, and ways to collect rainwater. These are just some of the cool things happening in eco-brutalism. We're making buildings that look awesome and are good for the earth. Section 7. The hurdles and horizons of eco-brutalism. Eco-brutalism isn't always easy. Using these materials can be tricky. Sometimes they're hard to find, and some people think building green is too expensive. It might cost more at first, but it saves money later. You'll use less energy, need fewer repairs, and have healthier air inside. As more people want green buildings, things will get cheaper and easier. Section 8. A vision for a greener future, embracing sustainable architecture. Eco-brutalism means building things that last and are good for the planet. Imagine cities with buildings made of earth, wood and clay, looking natural and beautiful. Imagine buildings that help the environment, not hurt it. That's the dream of eco-brutalism, beauty and sustainability together. It's a dream worth working for. Section 9, Conclusion, Building a Better Tomorrow, Brick by Sustainable Brick. The future of building isn't about forgetting the past, it's about learning from it. Eco-brutalism takes the best of brutalism and makes it green. We know that buildings affect the planet and we need to build better. By using good materials, smart designs, and caring for nature, we can make beautiful and sustainable buildings. Let's build a future where buildings are a good thing, showing how smart and caring we are. Let's build a better tomorrow, one eco-friendly brick at a time.